Hi everyone, I'm Miss Susan from the Cape May County Library Children's Department, and this is an at-home craft video. Today's craft is a paper plate owl. Here are some examples of my paper plate owl. These are all made with marker. And I also made some with crayon. A little softer with crayon, but you can make it with other things. What you'll need to do this craft is white paper plates. You can use regular size, medium size, or small. I use the medium and small white paper plates. You'll need scraps of construction paper. I use some yellow and orange construction paper. You'll need some coloring utensils, whether it be markers, crayons, watercolor pencils, colored pencils, or paint. And you'll need some Elmer's glue. Okay. I also use a stapler to secure the paper plate. Okay, let me show you how we're going to go ahead and do this. So the first thing you're going to do is get a paper plate, and the inside of the paper plate is concave. So you want to do the inside of the paper plate. We're going to make that be the owl's belly, the owl's tummy. Okay. So we're going to take that paper plate and we're going to grab one of your colored markers or whatever coloring utensil you're going to use, and we're going to do some feathers for the owl's belly. Now, owls are normally beige, tan, brown, and gray in color, but you can do whatever color you like. If you have favorite colors, you can maybe even make a rainbow owl if you like. So I'm just going to add some green, like a muted green in here, and I'm just going to make those little loops as feathers, and I'm connecting my feathers to the feathers above. So you continue on down with that kind of a pattern until you have your owl's whole belly done. Okay, this is from the top all the way down. Now you want to make sure when you're going down to the bottom that you cover almost the whole side, because this is the part of the belly that you'll be seeing on the bottom. Okay, so when we have the belly done, now you're going to go ahead and fold the sides over. Okay, see, this was the belly. Now I folded each side over. Each side is going to be the wing, and then I folded down the top. And this is where I put my stapler. See where the stapler is? Okay, so I folded that down, and I did each wing and the top. Now you're going to color in his wings. Okay, so for the wings, I try to do the same on one side as the other side. Okay, and so I have my wings down, my belly done, my wings are done, and I went ahead and added eyes. Okay, for the eyes, I just did some circles, folded a piece of yellow paper, and then cut 2 circles, and I added them on. Okay, so now what I'm going to do to add life to my owl is I'm going to go ahead and put an eyeball on each eye. And now the owl came to life, right? And after my eyeball, now I'm going to go ahead and add a beak. So I'm going to put a beak right here. Okay, so I'm going to add some glue in. And put the beak on underneath the eyeballs. There's my owl's beak. He's really coming to life now. And then the final step is you're going to use some construction paper, and you're going to cut out 2 feet for the owl. Okay. So I'm going to add some glue to that and put on my 2 feet. 1. 2. Okay, so there's this really fun and easy fall owl. Okay, I've got my belly done. I did my wings. I folded all down and cut out my eyes and glued them on. I put a beak on, and I added some feet to my owl. Now he just needs a good spot to hang out and perch for the fall. Okay, I hope you get a chance to try out this really cute paper plate owl, and we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.